the scooter segment in Asia has put a spin on what once used to be one of the simplest, most bare-bones means of motorized two-wheeled transportation. What used to be essentially an engine, two wheels, and an automatic transmission devoid of any creature comforts, is now a long-distance capable scooter loaded with tech and creature comforts. Welcome to Motoscoop. Introducing the all-new 2023 SYM GPX drone or Jet X150. New GPX drone has a full LED lighting system with up to 10 dots, dividing the ratio of high and low beams, clearly shining bright day and night. The tail light has a sharp design like 3D light bar tail or stop light function, add premium and stand out like no other. The new GPX drone mileage is a full digital LCD meter in a sporty design with a sharp, colorful screen in a position that can be seen clearly while driving. There are also functions that meet the needs of today's work with a 2-amp USB charging socket. It can charge your mobile phone instantly so you don't miss out on every journey. There is an 18-liter under-seat storage space that can hold a full-face helmet, and a fuel tank capacity of 7.5 liters. Allow you to travel comfortably. The engine performance upgrade newly installed from the original 2 valves, upgraded to 4 valves, and it comes with a power of 150 cubic centimeters, SOHC, 1-cylinder, 4-stroke, fuel injection technology, and liquid-cooled. Braking is confident with a 260mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc brake that comes with CBS. Combined braking system to help distribute braking force. Front suspension uses conventional telescopic forks, while the back end of the drone has twin shock absorbers with 3-step adjustable preload. Keyless system or remote key that comes with on and off function operation of the scooter, locking the scooter or turning on and off the anti-theft alarm, convenient, easy to operate, just twist the switch. Rolling on 14-inch wheels. The drone wore 190 rubber in front and a 110/80 tire at the back. It has a width of 760 millimeters, a length of 2,000 millimeters, and a height of 1,115 millimeters. While the wheelbase is 1,350 millimeters, the height from the seat to the ground is 780 millimeters, and the ground clearance is 107 millimeters. And has an empty weight of 140 kilograms. 2023 SYM GPX drone or Jet X150 is now available in any SYM dealers in Philippines, and it's offered with a starting price of $2,260 or about 125,000 in Philippine peso. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.